So, a lot of days ago, Thomas started crying is because of a sleepover. And now, we're gonna make him sneeze again. Hey Thomas, you wanna see something cool? Yeah? Well, I'm trying to stop you from sneezing just because sneezing is your type of allergy. So let me get up to you for a sec. So you remember that day of how you started sneezing? Well, it's the main fact that you started to have hay fever. Well, how about this? I'll just wait. So, everyone knows that you basically sneeze, but it's alright. We're just in the room trying to cure you, and you're just gonna let it out, and you're not gonna sneeze on me, so you'll just be ashamed, or maybe just do something. But everyone knows that you basically wanted to be my friend, don't you? And because I just want to be friends with you all the time, and also it's just a lot. So, isn't that the result? Well, let's try again. Announcer, come over here. What is it? Thomason's trying to sneeze, and basically he's got a hay fever again, and nobody knows where it actually came from. Maybe it's the top. And also, I don't even care, well, it looks like Thomason's going to sneeze after all. Maybe? Yeah. You know what? Let me get up to Thomas for a sec. So, Thomas, everyone knows how you basically sneeze all. Well, sometimes it's because everyone remembers of how you sneeze. Well, sneezing is just a problem, so don't worry if you try to sneeze on me, because I don't even care what I want to do. Okay, that isn't the time to stop.